Hello guys, my name is Rebecca, and today I'm going to bring you another episode of Draw My Life. Now this is, I think, my first episode of Draw My Life that I'm ever doing, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now the first thing I did as a kid, yeah guys, like really nice. Me, I was thinking to be, here, I'm really creative and upload pretty amazing videos of me showing books as my reviews, and even trying to write my own stories, and then I write more stories every day and I become more creative. Well, eventually, right this day, I am far further than that, because this day I make gaming videos of me playing games and me playing any games I can find. It's like a kid, so my channel is basically like a kid-friendly channel, you know, like when I'm playing kids games, like a nice zone, like a kid-friendly zone. So this is exactly why people will think nice videos, just to make them smile and just to like my videos, you know. But there's also a few that, I decided to, because I'm much further than being creative. I am very creative as well, and I'm right to this day I'm further than just being. I decided to relax outside. I wanted to relax outside, and this was just happiness, you know what I mean? This is just happiness. So just to relax outside, you know what I mean? Just for fresh air. Just for fresh air, just to relax. But then I was really nice. I thought. So then I was thinking in my head, maybe I can make a creative YouTube channel. Later on, my first ever video, Beano Annual Collection, which was uploaded on, I think, 2016. Now, I was really happy with my first ever video ever uploaded on internet. This was my first ever video and my second one anyway, well, before my channel got lost. And I'm never ever able to upload there again. But on this channel I can upload, and you know what I mean, if I get my older channel back, I will upload it as much as I can, just to let everyone know. But even though I didn't think to use Twitter at that moment, and just to let everyone know instantly in a special way that I lost my thingy. So yeah, I decided to. Later on, I decided to become. I was going out on my own, only on my own. Then I thought I was getting lost around town, but then later on that didn't stop me, because the moment I was outside, I was enjoying a peaceful life, and just later on me to finally become to my to my imaginary, to my amazing place ever, and I just discovered this place when I was very little, just a few. That is YouTube. Even when I was little, I was still thinking to upload videos, but I had no chance to do it because I was still really little. So that's why I had to wait a long time. But then I wasn't, because I just, at the moment, I just loved watching YouTube videos. I just loved watching YouTube videos, you know what I mean? I love peaceful videos online of people doing silly things, you know what I mean? Like, YouTube was amazing at the time back then. Even in 2013 it was amazing. Hello. And my happiness eventually grew more and more and more. Eventually, I was writing lots of pieces of paper, lots of story writing. I used to sell them. I think I used to post them around. I think that this is me during. I write lots and lots and lots. Probably about this is day 1 of me writing. This is day 99 of me writing there, and this is day 350. So pretty much I wrote lots of pieces of paper, lots of writing. Then I was like, no, that's just one letter. Come on, I want to make a book out of it. Then my first ever book that I ever made out of there, that is of course my very first career video of story of my life video. Happiness eventually grew so much that I decided to make a story about it. Then eventually after those years, this is exactly where I decided to. I quit doing these writings because after a few, because I decided like that'd be pretty pointless compared to my YouTube channel and compared to my books. And that's when I decided to make my YouTube channel. Then I was like, that's pretty pointless. Come on, I can already show them on YouTube even when I'm live. Come on. So I did something that is even better than that. Making a happy, friendly YouTube. At the beginning, my channel got a bit changed. I went from reviews to magic stunts, showing me magical things and probably like showing tricks as well. Magic to me being outside, to me showing around, and to finally where we are right here, my gaming videos. So this channel is what I use the channel for, to make lots of games, and I pretty much make lots of games on this channel. I find lots of games, and yeah. So that's what I decided to do at YouTube at the time. And my favorite videos were a Mary picture, and also my friend will also explain me to try and create story, to try and make a YouTube channel, then I'll get lots of views to try and just over here. And I think we pretty much the amazing happy zone, me relaxing in a watery place, and me making animations. An amazing place for you guys, and an amazing place for my life. A nice Draw My Life video. An amazing Draw My Life video. And I hope you guys liked watching this video. This is gonna be water here, I think light blue. Water here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.